was a long and intense process, but it was so perfectly organized by the Coins team. And I appreciated that. As an organized person, I really appreciated that the expectations were set and I knew what was happening when. Communication was excellent between all of the consultants and my team leaders. It was a very good experience, all things considered. But I think it's made us overall a much more efficient company. Everybody in the field knows who the resources are. And if we don't know the answer, we know Coins Support does. So in terms of how we're doing now, I think we're great. I think I'm happy, and most everybody in the company is happy. The management is happy. Project managers are happy. The people who use the ERP desktop on a daily basis are happy.